Today we're going to show you 5 things you can do with the Jam 4-channel trigger and gate processor from Noise Engineering. If you need to make a patch in a hurry, here's how with the Jam. 2 of the JJ's outputs will trigger the BIA and temp legio. The other 2 will trigger the Quantus trajecta envelope generator, which then goes to the CV inputs on the VCA for 2 oscillators. Once this is all patched, set the Jam to random mode, then push and turn the encoder. Bam! Instant jam! Turn the encoder to adjust the amount of triggers the JJ is sending. The Jam can help put some swing in your patch. In phase mode, send a clock to one of JJ's inputs, then another clock that's half the speed to an attenuverter like sync to Pharaoh, then into JJ's CV input. We'll send the output to the hit input of temp legio. Adjust the attenuator to increase the amount of swing. Did you know that Jam can simulate wind? Let's make some wind chimes. Patch your clock into the Jam and switch to random mode. Mult its output to both the gate to your bells and the advance button on a sequential switch like the vice versa. Tune to 4 notes for the different wind chimes using an offset like the sync Pravis. Here we tuned each channel to make a chord with the root, 3rd, 5th, and 6th notes. Those 4 outputs then go to the 4 inputs on the vice versa. Set all the vice versa switches to the middle, then out to the 1 volt per octave input on the bells. Top it off with some reverb. Adjust the Jam's encoder to speed up or slow down the wind. With the Jam gate and trigger processor, you can stagger triggers any way you'd like to create your own customized pattern. In this patch, set the JJ's mode to either phase or delay. Then send the 4 outs to 4 different sound sources. Here we're using the BIA, Manus, and 2 temp legios. We'll keep the BIA on the original signal, but adjust the other 3 equally to create 16th note patterns in between kicks. The Jam's delay is long. I mean, really long. In delay mode, push and turn the encoder clockwise a few times, which delays the trigger for more than 15 seconds. Long enough to write a haiku. Alright, here we go. Modules, we can sync, electronic, sound unite, music comes live. For more information about Jam, visit noiseengineering.us. Join us next time when we get knocked down, but then get up again, because you're never going to keep us down.